Are you tired of wearing the same merch all the time? No? Yeah, me neither. Hi, how are ya? So today I will be showing you different ways I like to style my BTS merch. So let's get started, shall we? So I will be starting off with my Tata PJs. And I know what you may be thinking. Pajamas, really? Yeah, I guess anything these days can be considered fashion. I mean, come on, it's 2019. Anyhow, for Tata outfit number 2, I added a red skirt and this glittery belt I found. Tata outfit number 3. This one is similar to the previous one you just saw, except it's red pants and a white belt, but I also added the glittery belt. And for our last Tata outfit, all I did was just add a leather jacket and a different belt. Moving on, I will be wearing my BT21 shirt over my red and black striped turtleneck and some red pants. You could also tie your shirt up just to make it look a little bit more hip, I guess. Next up, we have the same thing except with the red skirt this time. Oh, and some high knee boots, or knee-high boots. Yeah, that's what you call them. Now this outfit is the same concept except it's gray now. I felt like the other one represented Tata more. Now this one represents Van. Once again, same thing, different shirt. And fun fact, this is actually one of the first pieces of merch I ever had of BTS. Have you ever seen a skirt with a hoodie? Well, now you have. And it's not just any hoodie. They are BTS hoodies. And let me just say, I love these two hoodies. And I just never take them off. I even use them to go to sleep because they're just so soft. I don't know, I just love them. And for today's last outfit, I have on my DIY BTS shirt. I have a video of this. If you would like to go check it out, make sure to do that. Here's the link. And that's it for this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more videos coming soon to Kids Late. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.